Alright, hello friends, it's time to try on the Aerios FL Mid GTX shoe. That's a long name, but it's a beautiful looking shoe. And of course, a new shoe deserves clean new socks, and these are darn tough. Well, let's take our new shoes for a walk. Alright, here we are with the TERYX Aerios FL Mid GTX hiking shoe. A couple of things to note: the taller collar, which is quite lovely. It's got added support here and padding, keeps debris out while supporting the ankle at the same time. We also have the lacing system, which is quite nice. Your laces are protected by a collar, so that helps to keep duff or debris out when you're on the trail or going off trail. We have the reinforced toe box. The outer layer is a durable Cordura, and beneath that is the Gore-Tex membrane itself, breathable and waterproof. And we have the Vibram Mega Grip sole. Yeah, and the lug depth by comparison is probably 2 to 3 times deeper than on the Norven SL by TERYX, which is another Gore-Tex shoe. And I found that added lug depth really made a difference when I was going off trail. And then for an insole, we have the Ortholite, which is quite nice. A little added comfort for your foot. Now when I get home from a long hike, or when I get to my tent, I like to take this out and just let the whole shoe air out. It does breathe well, but being Gore-Tex, it just helps a little to take that out. And as far as sizing goes, these are a size 12 and they fit me perfectly. I have a wide foot, so I'm really 11 or 11 and a half, but I always adjust for that by ordering a 12, and a 12 in TERYX was perfect for me too. Typically I wear these darn tough hiking socks, but if it's a little colder out, I can also wear these thicker Danish endurance socks, no problem with the fit. Yeah, so I highly recommend the TERYX Aerios FL Mid GTX hiking shoe. Check it out if you have a chance. Ciao for now.